Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily check signal strength on your TCL Linkhub. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the TCL app. Here we have our router, and as you guys can see, you can change the password. We're not going to do that. Here we have our signal where the 4G is. I got 2 dashes out of 5 on the signal, and now let's check if the same is on our website. So here we have our website. Now we need to enter the password that you can find on the back of the router. We're gonna click login, and I'm not gonna change the password. Here we got the signal right at the top. Of course, you can go to status and see that it is connected. As you guys can see, we got kicked out of our phone because your account was logged into other device. If this login wasn't authorized by you, we recommend you change your password immediately, and etc. So here we have our phone. As you guys can see, everything's working. We got our internet, but here at the top we got our signals. So we got 2 dashes out of 5, the same that was on our phone. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.